Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you 5 Android apps that I found out to be very interesting. So roll the intro and let's get this video. Most of you would have probably seen this visual music which syncs the audio playing in the background. It looks so cool, right? What if this visualization comes in the Android navigation bar of your smartphone? Yes, Movies Now Bar does exactly this. It visualizes the music that's currently playing on your mobile in the navigation bar of your smartphone. It also has a lot of themes to select from, and the cherry on top is you can even create one according to your liking. Cool, right? Spike is also an email management app just like so many other email apps in the market. But this has some key unique features that you need to know. So once you open it, it'll ask you to log in with the mail you want, enter the credentials, log in. Once logged in, this is how it looks. You might ask me, what's so different? I'll tell you. This app makes all your emails and email conversations into messages, just like WhatsApp. This is a conversation we had with the HostGator support team regarding the hosting problems. And as you see it, all these conversations are clearly remodeled into a chat style look, which makes it easier to navigate. And the best part is, you can even know whether the person you sent a mail to read your message or not. This is the same feature that we have in WhatsApp, WeChat, Hike, etc. This is never available in traditional mails. You can even create a note or a task which will then be shown at the top. There are some other features like creating groups, scheduling events, etc. which you can discover by yourself. If you like superhero films and sci-fi kind of look, then this is the launcher that you have to try. This is how homepage looks with a big image of superhero you like. You can change the wallpaper by going here, and yeah, you have a lot of themes to select from. Now swipe up from the bottom to access the app drawer and it looks cool. You know, there are two kinds of sci-fi that you find in Play Store. One that looks like this and other is this. Okay, the first looks a lot junky. I mean, it tries to be more sci-fi and gives you a cheap feel, but this is not like that. It's not too heavy on the options and looks quite modern. You can group apps so that you can put them in folders. You have a dark mode and light mode, and clicking here takes you to the quick applications which can be launched directly from here. There are so many other stuffs which you can directly understand by yourself. Daybook is a digital diary using which you can share your memories digitally. The interface is very simple. Click on the plus icon and start writing anything you want or anything that happened at a specific moment. You can then go to the calendar to navigate between the days and see what you have written on that specific day. The best feature of this app is its integration with Google Assistant. Yes, click on the Google Assistant and say Talk to Daybook Journal. It opens a separate Google Assistant app using which you can directly save whatever you want it to save. It listens to you and uses Google's text-to-speech engine to convert your voice to text. Then it saves everything in the app. Amazing, right? If you are an Instagram user, wait, no, let me put it this way. Do you upload a lot of stories to Instagram? Then this app is for you. This app lets you add multiple photos and create a professional and cool looking animated story. Click on a template, then you can add text, images, music, stickers, backgrounds, etc. And it looks quite professional. I also checked some other apps like animated stories, MoStory, etc. But I found the free templates better on this one. You can check out them as well, they also have some nice templates.